So today we will be actually diving deep into the biochemical difference between alkaline versus acidic. Alright, so it's basically going into something that Dr. Sebi used to heavy press, when he would always push his followers towards the traffic of alkaline foods, alkaline plant-based diet, so on and so forth, right? And always go against or be like anti-acidic. Okay, with no further ado, let's go ahead deep into that real quick. But I'm gonna take my time with this because I don't want to lose anybody or go over people's heads. I know a couple people is like, you get too deep sometimes, and it's like you go over my head, over the top sometimes. But that's just the literature that I read. Sometimes it is a little bit over the top if you're not really like capable of understanding this vernacular. But I'm gonna try not to lose anybody. Okay, and I'm gonna take my time, like I said, because I think that it's important that you all get this and understand it. All right, 2 or more atoms of an element compose a molecule. All compounds in molecular form. An ion is an electrically charged particle consisting of 1 or more atoms carrying a unit charge or multiples of that unit. Okay? The ions of hydrogen and the metals are positively charged and are called cations. The ions of acids and the hydroxyl group, in parentheses OH negative, are negatively charged and are called anions. All molecules are divisible, okay, or divided, okay, into 2 different or 2 separate ions, whether they are in simple anions, as in common salt, sodium chloride, or in anions of hydroxyl, OH negative, or acid, H positive, travel toward the positive pole, or also known as the anode. Okay? These ions are carriers of electricity, also known as light. Now, when they say these ions are carriers of electricity, they're not meaning just the positive pole or node ions that I just discussed that was going towards that positive direction, okay? They're meaning ions in general are carriers of electricity, whether they are positive pole ions or negative pole ions. They're all just ions in general are the carriers of electricity, also known as light. Okay, they are the only vitamins in nature. Okay, that's basically what a vitamin is. There's really no such thing as this word vitamins. Okay, it's basically all a trick, all a matrix. But see, me, I look at myself sort of like a Neo type of a guy. You know what I'm saying? Like I kind of like see through the fluff and see through the matrix of things. So I be like revealing, like, you know what I'm saying, like secrets and truths. And I just pray, I hope that you all like can see this and understand this thing like I see it. An electric current carried through water is conducted only by the ions in the solution. The cathode or negative pole in electrolysis produces an alkaline. So with this alkaline, it softens water leaching, or it is a soft water leaching with no hemostatic effects, but with evidence of an action similar to caustic soda. It favors hemorrhage, causes hyperemia, and therefore quickens nutrition. The anode or positive pole in electrolysis produces a hard, dry acid leaching. It is hemostatic, and its immediate action is chemic and sedative. Without going into tiresome and minute technical details, we may deduce from the foregoing facts that alkalis are generally softening, relaxing, liquefying, diffusive, and expansive. Expansive, right? While on the other hand, acidics or acids are tensing, astringent, tightening, hardening, solidifying, solidifying, okay? Contractive. Both acids and alkalis tend to bring about electronic equilibrium. All right, so that there is the biochemical difference between acidic and alkaline. I hope that you all get this. If you did not get this, I apologize for my sloppiness or however I probably explained it. But if you don't get it, I do suggest that you rewind this, start from the beginning, try to break it down, play it in sections, rewind it back, write it down if you need to, because the important thing is that you all understand the difference between acidic foods, okay, and alkaline foods. All right, peace, love, long live JJ.